We are learning that when we are looking at the letters in a word and trying to figure out what the word will sound like, we need to think carefully, especially about the vowel letters. The letter A may be telling us to make the A sound, or it may be telling us to make the A sound. If there's an E at the end of the word, we try the A sound first. If there's no E at the end, we try the A sound. It's easy to remember that A sound because it's just the same as the letter's name, but the A sound is harder to remember. To help us remember the A sound, we have a picture of this apple. The word apple starts with that A sound. So if you are looking at the letter A and you can't remember its other sound, then you could find the letter A on the keyword chart and look at the picture that goes with it. The A sound at the beginning of apple will remind you of the other sound of an A. Now we are going to use these letters to make some words. Today, all of the words we are going to make will have an A in them. Sometimes the words will need that silent E to show that the sound of the A is just like the sound of its name. Sometimes we won't need an E at the end because the sound of the A will be A, like in apple. Let's have everyone use 3 letters to make the word mat. Mat. Now let's change mat to mate. Now let's change mate to fate. Change fate to fat. Change fat to fad. Change fad to fade. Now I'm going to make some words and I want you to figure out what each word is. Remember to check for that silent E. Also, remember if you are not sure about the sound of one of the letters, you can use our keywords to figure it out. Okay, so our first word Okay, what is this word? Mate. Good job, that is mate. Now, if we take away the E and it's M-A-T, we changed it to mat. Now we'll take away the M, we'll add the H. Good job, that is hat. Adding the silent E, which makes it hate. Take away that silent E and it goes back to hat. What about this one? Good job, that is had. Good job, everyone. That says mad. And this is our last one. We'll add the silent E And good job. That says made. Now we are going to write some words. All of the words we write will have the letter A in them. You need to listen to the words carefully and decide whether the word has an A sound. If it does, you need to be sure that the word you write ends with the silent E. If the word has a short A sound, like ah, then you don't need to put an E at the end. So let's try to start with the word fad. Fad. Good job. So we hear that ah sound like in our keyword apple. So we know the word fad will go on this side. Fad. How about the word fade? Fade. Good job. We'll have to put that word on this side because we can hear the A saying its name. So here we have the word fade. Just fix this E. Fade. Good job. Fade. Okay. What about the word mad? Good job. Mad will go on this side because we hear that ah sound like in apple. So we know that mad will go on that side. How about made? Made. Good job. We'll have to put made over here because we hear it saying made. We hear the A saying its name. Made. What about the word can? Can. Good job. Can will have to go here because we hear the A saying ah. So we'll have to put the word can on this side. Can. How about the word cane? Cane. The word cane will have to go on this side because we can hear the A saying its name. So here we have cane. What about the word cap? Cap. Cap. The word cap will have to go on this side because we hear it saying ah, 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 like our keyword apple. So there we have cap. Cap. What about the word cape? Cape. The word cape will have to go on this side because we hear that A sound. The A is saying its name. So we know that the silent E will go at the end and it'll say cape. Good job.